कशाचा प्रवास? नाही अजून तर नाही. Good evening, sir.
Hello, Shashi. How are you?
I'm good, good. How about you, sir?
Everything is fine. कसं काय चाललंय?
चाललं व्यवस्थित. आत्ताच आलो, तळेगावला होतो.
ओके ओके.
तिकडचं ते थोडस संडे होता, आज उघडं होतं.
बरं बरं
गेलो.
बरं.
हॅलो.
येस योगेश.
गुड इव्हनिंग.
गुड इव्हनिंग, गुड इव्हनिंग.
गुड इव्हनिंग. गुड इव्हनिंग.
गुड इव्हनिंग योगेश.
येस. गुड इव्हनिंग. गुड इव्हनिंग.
So today's session is going to be a power pack session about
Yes.
yeah,
इनफॅक्ट कसं आहे की आपला आता एवढा स्प्रेड वाढायला लागलाय
right.
आजूबाजूला. People have to be really cautious about all this. आणि aim is to explore the true potential of it. बाकी सगळे म्यूट झालेले दिसत आहेत. आपण जरा एकदा योगेश ते बघायचं का?
हो तुम्ही शेअर करा स्क्रीन शेअर करा ना सर. मी राईट दिलेलं तुम्हाला. तिथे खालती ना मेनूज असतील. म्यूट, स्टॉप व्हिडिओ, शेअर स्क्रीन. तिथे तुम्ही हे करून क्लिक करून बघा तुम्हाला आता कुठलं स्क्रीन करायचंय, व्हाईट बोर्ड करायचंय की काय करायचंय. स्क्रीन केलं की ते तुमचं स्क्रीन शेअर होईल. आणि पण त्या स्क्रीनवरती तुम्हाला तुमचं प्रेझेंटेशन जे आहे ते तुम्ही ओपन करा.
ओके. स्क्रीन तर शेअर केलीच आहे पण प्रेझेंटेशन आय एम ओपनिंग नाव.
ओके.
आर यू एबल टू सी दिस?
येस. आता येते हळूहळू.
येस
येस.
आलं?
येस येस.
आणि सेम वे व्हिडिओ पण रन कराल तेव्हा शेअर करा म्हणजे तो आम्हाला दिसेल.
आता व्हिडिओ शेअर करायचा म्हणलं तर कसा करायचा?
रन करायचं ते
रन करायचं. तुमच्या डेस्कटॉप वरती रन करायचं.
So, but now desktop share is screen is shared. So again, I'll go back and run it.
Minimize.
I'll run it.
Minimize it and share it.
हे प्रेझेंटेशन मिनिमाइज करा, ते रन करा, मॅक्सिमाइज करा.
बस ठीक आहे.
येस.
Now.
Good evening all.
Good evening. बार्शी पार्टी.
If you can hear audio वगैरे व्यवस्थित आहे का?
ऑडिओ येतोय.
सर ऐकू
येतोय ना?
हो.
I'll keep it off as of now.
Upon sign up, a unique and anonymous.
काय प्या?
बोल.
काय म्हणता?
SP देशमुख, वेलकम. फायनान्शियल प्लॅनर. बरेच दिवसांनी सापडला तुम्ही.
अरे कसं आहे माहितीये योगेश कसं आहे माहितीये का? हे आरोग्य सेतू आणि सुरक्षा कवच हे दोन्ही क्लब करायला पाहिजे माहितीये.
बरोबर.
गुड आयडिया.
बरोबर आहे.
उद्या सुरक्षा कवच नाही तर परवा सुरक्षा कवच.
काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे?
नाही सुरक्षा कवच हा आपलं अपूर्व सुरक्षा कवच शेअर करतो ना सगळ्यांना.
हो अगदी बरोबर. अपूर्व.
हाय सर. हाय, हाऊ आर यू?
बढिया. व्हॉट्स न्यूज?
ऑल वेल. हो अगदी.
काय म्हणता सर?
तर तेवढी आरोग्याची तुम्ही ऍप पूर्ण करून घेतो सर. 1-2
मजेत आहे सर.
गुड व्हेरी नाईस.
नांदेड सिटी पण मस्त आहे.
नांदेड सिटीचा टॅग लागलाय तर काय करणार बिचारा.
आमच्या नांदेड सिटीचे फाउंडर आहेत ना इथे दाढी वाढवून बसले.
हो बरोबर. पण ते नांदेड सिटी मध्ये नसतात असं येते.
म्हणजे ग्रुपचे फाउंडर म्हणतो
योगेश.
अरे बापरे.
योगेश तू पण नांदेड सिटीला आहे?
नाही होतो म्हणजे आहे माझं घर तिथे. सर याच्यात अजून एक ऍप्लिकेशन आता इन्स्टॉल केली मी, सेतू आरोग्य सेतू. बरं का सर. तर त्याच्यामध्ये तो इन्स्टॉल केल्या तो OTP पाठवतो ना, तो स्वतःच रीड करतो. म्हणजे नथिंग रॉंग अबाउट इट. पण जनरली काही काही ऍप्स स्वतःच वाचतात आणि आपल्याला इनपुट करावं लागत नाही.
बरोबर बरोबर बरोबर.
सो समटाइम्स इट इज लिटिल म्हणजे नॉट ऍडवाइजेबल, पण ठीक आहे.
संजय, गुड इव्हनिंग.
गुड इव्हनिंग.
Dream
All are
hall.
there. Let me.
ड्रीम हॉलिडेज वाले आलेत.
जगदीश माळी.
Hello Jagdish, how are you? कसं काय?
नांदेड सिटी.
आणि
नांदेड सिटी इज इन फुल स्ट्रेंथ.
नांदेड सिटी फुल स्ट्रेंथ. परवा आपली भेट झाली प्रकाशच्या क्लिनिक मध्ये.
दात पाडला का कोणाचा?
दोघांचा.
हाय मनोज.
ओके.
नाईस टू सी मनोज.
इंग्लिश स्कूलचं ते आरोग्य सेतू प्रेझेंटेशन.
चंदू, मनोज.
हा,
Yes,
मजेत आहे.
Good, good, good. Nice to see you here.
माळी आहेत का पुण्यात आहेत?
समीर. हाय समीर.
डॉक्टर पाटील पण आले.
Hello,
डॉक्टर आर्यन
Gode.
पाटील सर पण आले.
संजय.
महेश. ग्रेट.
पाटील सर वेलकम. डॉक्टर पाटील वेलकम.
पाटील सर आलेत का?
आर्यन पाटील आले, न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट.
हो हो. इनफॅक्ट आय नीड टू लर्न फ्रॉम हिम.
मुंबईवरून जॉईन केलं त्यांनी.
थोड्या वेळात आपण चालू करूयात. योगेश, तू सरांचं इंट्रोडक्शन करून दे आणि गाईडलाईन दे सगळ्यांना.
हो, एकच मिनिटात मी देतो. जस्ट बघून घेते ना.
नो प्रॉब्लेम, नो प्रॉब्लेम.
या
तांबे सर, गुड इव्हनिंग.
आय थिंक मी इंट्रोडक्शन सुरू करायला हरकत नाही किंवा कोणी आहे का 83 बॅच हु वुड लाईक टू इंट्रोड्यूस कर्नल सर?
गुड इव्हनिंग.
हॅलो.
कर ना तू.
ओके ओके. एनिवे,
ठीक आहे.
good evening all dear Ajinkans, good evening again. Today we have a very important topic which is very much pertaining to today's scenario or maybe scenarios of corona. Indian government initiated a very good app called Arogya Setu, and lot of study has been done by Colonel Sanjay Adsar sir, and he thought it should be shared with all Ajinkans, which can be of real help. Looking at today's rampant situation of coronavirus spreading very fast, it becomes essential to know that this app is very handy, very essential, and its importance. And many of us know Colonel Sanjay Adsar, who worked for Army for more than 20 years and again with the corporate companies. And obviously he has exposure of both government discipline as well as corporate discipline. And so he thought of sharing this importance of application and how it can be used and how it should be used and get benefited out of it. So I pass it on to Colonel Sanjay Adsar sir to continue further and enlighten us for this app. Thank you.
Thank you, Yogesh, and thank you, Shashikant, also for organizing this. The idea just germinated last evening, and when I communicated with Yogesh as well as Shashikant yesterday, both were very optimistic to have it conducted for our Ajinkan fraternity. In fact, I've just studied this particular application and its utilization over the last about 8 to 10 days. And I thought of conducting series of training for our office staff in my company, that is BG Shirke Construction Technology. And that is how I thought it will be applicable for our Ajinkan fraternity also to know about this application, more so because as Yogesh has rightly brought out, the spread of coronavirus is rampant as of now. Every day, almost for the last 3 days, there are good about 30,000 cases all over the country that are coming up as far as this corona positive reporting is concerned. And more so, like in this, are you able to hear me all, please?
Yes, yes.
If anybody is unable to hear me, kindly raise your hand so that Yogesh can take care. At least
Yes.
as of now, the audios are switched off, they're muted. But then in case I'm not heard, kindly let us know about it. in fact, with this particular, in this particular 40 to 45 minutes, I wish to share the, as far as this application is concerned, the awareness as to how to draw the logical conclusions and how to take this applications inferences to our, in fact, advantage. That is what is that is what is the basic aim. This application was, it was in the public domain in April 2020, but immediately good about 9 crore people downloaded it, and that was the largest download by for any application, especially all over the world. And there has, after that, thereafter there has been steady rise, but as of now it is a little slow down. But when I looked back over the last about 10 days, 10 days back it was 14.9 crores. Now it has gone to almost about 14.29 or 14.3 crores. So that is the spread, that is the awareness that this particular application is generating among the masses in our country. With this little background, I would like to just make everybody aware of this particular small little presentation which I'm going to make. I have sourced it from the Arogya Setu app version 1.4.1, which is Android, and similar version is available of 2.0 on iOS also. Both the versions work on Android if Android version is of 5.0 onwards, and the iOS version in case it is 10.3 onwards, then only this particular application works. So have your phones, in case they are not updated, they could be updated and this application can be downloaded. Simultaneously, as I go ahead, kindly have your application switched on and come to the first screen that is seen. Like if I may show here, if you just come to this particular first screen, then it will be easy to understand as to what this application, how to go about it and all that. How can you derive maximum benefit out of it? All that I would like to tell you or share with you. In fact, I am delighted to see R.N. Patil sir also among us. I would like to know from him only much more in details later on. But whatever I said, I thought I'll just put across. What is Arogya Setu app? We'll see what are the home screens and status, and how to draw interpretation and conclusions from the status that we see. What is QR code? What is status check? And what is, and later on we'll have question answers on this. So if you have taken out this application, started the application, if you click on the 3 lines that you see on the left corner, next to the Arogya Setu on the left side, you will come to the drop down menu wherein application version is there. Last point, which is of application version, will tell you as to whether your application is latest or not, that is 1.4.1. Coming back to the presentation mode, I would like to just tell you as to what is Arogya Setu app to start with. And here, if I may just take you through one particular video. That is this particular video I have sourced from, again, the application downloads that have been given there, and we'll just have it seen for about 2 minutes clip.
So you minimize your presentation so we can able to see the video.
Sorry, are you able to hear me, please?
Yeah, we are able to hear, but you can minimize your presentation so we can see the video if you are presenting.
Okay, I'll do that. Is it okay now?
We are able to see the screen only, not the video.
Still, then I may have to stop it.
Yeah, just minimize this presentation and open that screen and show the video.
I'm doing that. Now I'm starting. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Are you able to see?
No, we are not able to see your video.
Okay, I'll switch off the presentation for the moment.
Yeah, presentation you can, then you can just
I'm switching
minimize
it
the
off so
presentation.
that I can start later on.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You can like close this presentation as of now. Okay, stop sharing the screen. Yeah.
Now it's okay. Are you able to see?
No, now you have to share the screen now.
Okay.
You have to share the screen again.
तुला कुठली पाहिजे? ही पाहिजे बिस्किट काही
I'm
पाहिजे
doing it.
मारायची?
Got it?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
Yes, now we can run the show.
ही
Run the
पाहिजे
video.
काही पाहिजे? पाहिजे.
This is just 2
काही
minutes
पाहिजे.
clip.
तुम्हाला
Ganesh
बोला
Shevliji,
Ganesh Shevliji, please mute your.
Yes, please mute your audio speakers. Yeah, I'll just run this particular clip.
हे भूषण
Upon sign up, a unique and anonymous device ID is assigned to every user. The linking of device ID to mobile number is one-time and is securely encrypted and stored in a server. All future interactions from device to server is done through device ID only. No personal information is exchanged after the first time registration. When you come near other registered devices, the app stores an encrypted signature of this interaction on your phone. This interaction information is not pushed to the server unless you are considered at risk. Either you have come in contact with someone who later has been diagnosed high risk, or your self-assessment has shown you to be at risk. Government of India uses your information only for administering necessary medical interventions. Your data is not going to be used for any other purpose. The app never reveals the personal identity of anyone. The identity of COVID-19 patients is not shared with the public at large. Information of all unique interactions is stored only for 30 days on the device, after which such data is deleted. For all data stored on the server for non-risk users, data is deleted in 45 days. For at-risk patients, data is deleted in 60 days. In the event you have tested positive for COVID-19, your location data is used to only map the places you visited over the past 14 days. In order to identify the locations that need to be sanitized and to inform people who need to be tested further. The location data will also be used to identify emerging areas where infection outbreaks are likely to occur. The location data is not used for any other purpose.
So that was the small little clip video of. You see my screen?
Yes.
I hope you are able to see the screen.
Yes, we are
I need
able to see.
share again.
No,
Yeah.
it's able to see. We are able to see.
Wonderful, wonderful. We'll just go to that particular. So we have seen as to how this particular application works and how it should be downloaded and all that. Just to run through the same as at the cost of repetition, if I may say so, it's an open source Indian COVID-19 contact tracing application. By contact tracing, all that what is meant is that it is a process of identification of a person who may have come in contact with a COVID positive individual. That is what is. So it is a process or a process of identification. And what is a syndromic mapping? If I may, so it is to monitor the disease indicators in real time or near real time scenario, so that the correct data or analysis of this outbreak of COVID-19 can be done. So it's basically a self-assessment digital service which has been developed by NIC, that is National Informatics Center. As I said earlier, installation and use of this app as of now is not mandatory, although some government departments, they have mandated it. And if even for the regular customers to the who visit government departments, for them also it has been mandated. But what I feel here on this forum, we need to educate everybody around us for installation and mandatory use of this application by all, so that henceforth we may not know, since we are already into the like community spread of this particular disease. We need to know as far as the contact tracing around us. Coming to the key features of this application, it helps the citizens to identify the risk of contacting 19, that is COVID-19, and also it alerts about the proximity to the COVID-19 person and possibility of infection in real-time scenario. That's another important aspect. How it does that, we'll see it in the next slides. it's automatic contact tracing, and for that, all three things, that is Bluetooth connectivity, the GPS connectivity, and the internet connectivity in your smartphone has to be switched on always and every time whenever you go out or when you're in the vicinity of these people around. It's basically a self-assessment test, and although integration of ePass and telemedicine also was part of it when it was launched, but I for myself haven't come across utilization of ePass whenever I was traveling to Mumbai or other places. ePass was not available. Perhaps it does require integration of Government of Maharashtra's electronic or Government of Maharashtra's integration with the main server of NIC. What does contact tracing mean? So it's basically whenever Arogya Setu user comes in contact with the other person with having Bluetooth, the Bluetooth on both the mobiles, they sync, connect each other and show the status of each other on their mobiles in real-time scenario. With this, we come to know what is the time, proximity, that is the distance, the location and the duration of contact with COVID-19 positive persons. This is very, very important when you check this particular utilization of application, because in case if you take your mind back 4 days back, in case you try to remember in the morning, if you have gone to market for buying your vegetables, you may not know as to how many people you have come in contact with. But this application will tell 4 days back as to wherever you have gone and in case was there any COVID-19 infected person around you. So it calculates for last 14 days. In fact, it calculates for 30 days as to how many people you have come in contact with. But for positive COVID positive cases, it is 14 days duration, because thereafter the virus goes. And the app recommends also the suitable action that is required to be taken. In case you take your mind or take your attention to this application and go back from that screen which was dropped down to the screen where you can see you are safe, and just below that there is a option of things to do next. For every status you will come to know as to what exactly things you must do. This particular things to be done vary with different status of screen. That is green, it will have something different. For moderate risk, it will have something different, and for orange, it will have something different as far as the things to do next. So the updated risk is analyzed by the government agencies to facilitate medical intervention if at all it is required later on. So let's come to what are do's and don'ts when it comes to utilization. My primary focus is to utilize this app to our benefit. As I said, firstly, where our mobile phones have to be having the latest Arogya Setu application as well as the Android applications loaded on them. The Bluetooth connectivity has to be always on. Location settings have to be always on. One has to always take self-assessment test honestly. So that word honestly has a lot of importance. We'll come to see that later, because there are a set of 5 questions in that. Even if someone tells someone feeds incorrect answer, the whole utilization of app doesn't stand to hold good for us. Basically, the application is for us and it's for our utilization. So we need to give honest answers so that it can give us the correct risk profile as far as we are concerned. So it's based on the self-assessment, your location, Bluetooth contacts, Arogya Setu, it does the risk assessment as green, yellow, orange, or red. We'll see as to what is it. And 1075 is the national helpline, which can give the status as well as various query resolution in whenever you approach to them. Now we'll see this do's and don'ts very, very closely. And while doing so, kindly correlate this particular simultaneously on your application on phone. As I said, these are the various applications which hold good for various versions of mobile phones, that is iOS as well as Android. As I also said that one has to be honest in self-assessment and keep mobile set always with yourself whenever you are either going to office or leaving home or going to market for a place of work, walk, so on and so forth. Although always also, as I said, Bluetooth, GPS and internet connectivity has to be always switched on. And periodically, maybe once in 2-3 hours, it is always advisable to upload data so that one gets to know as to what is the real time check of his status when his data from the mobile is uploaded to the national server. It would give you the proximity to the COVID-19 patients or COVID-19 person in the vicinity of your Bluetooth range. So that particular caution is very, very important. It draws inferences from health status, and which one can follow instruction. And what is also advisable is to keep handy the list of contacts which can be approached easily whenever, God forbid, one tests himself or herself positive, and those could be also utilized for intimating to the near and dear ones, so that everybody can be made cautious. Also, the details of hospital, dependent hospital, from your medical insurance point of view, those COVID hospital contacts can be also kept handy. And even when one is not having the indications of COVID-19 positive patient, for any illness these days, the viral infection is very common because of the ongoing monsoons. So use of mask even at home to ensure self quarantine while someone falls sick due to any illness is always better, so that you don't spread illness to anybody and everybody at home. Use of mask, soap, sanitizer as well as social distancing doesn't need more emphasis. Let us jump to see as to what the various home screens or what the color codes that represent on this. As I said here, objects in the mirror are closer than they appear. That's what we see on our four-wheelers as far as the rear screen is concerned. And this is more so very valid when it comes to the spread of coronavirus around us. These are the 4 indicators of status on your mobile when you open the app. Green indicates low, this lowest kind of state of safety. Then yellow, I'll just go ahead as far as the category is concerned. Green category mentions that one is safe. It is the lowest risk category. Yellow is moderate risk category. Orange is highest risk category, and thereafter red means one is COVID positive. So these 3 categories are in the rising state of risk assessment. Mind you, green doesn't mean no risk. It always means lowest risk or low risk, to be precise. It has 3 categories: green category 1, 2, and 3. Category 1 means that one has not come in contact with COVID-19 positive person, or he has not declared COVID-19 symptoms during self-assessment test, or he has not taken the self-assessment test at all. What to do in these particular circumstances? As I told, to do next, in case you click, all these 4 items will pop up or they will emerge and let you know as to what should you do in this particular scenario. Going to green category 2, it is again a low risk of infection, but it means that one has declared mild symptoms during self-assessment which contribute to COVID-19 disease. And these are some of the symptoms, these are some of the things that one should do, monitoring symptoms and all that. Coming to the category 3, which is important for all of us. And why it is important? Because it doesn't take much time to jump from green category 3 to moderate risk assessment, that is yellow category 1. So that is why it is important to know. It means that one has come in recent contact with infected person with a longer distance. Now, why longer distance comes in play here is because the Bluetooth range, maximum Bluetooth range is 30 feet. So anybody who is COVID positive or would be declared as COVID positive, I would say here, because I'll come to that later. If he had come in contact with oneself at a distance of maximum 30 feet, this green category will come in effect, and one will be having on his screen as to, yes, he is tested green, he is in fact in the green category 3. All this categorization 1, 2, 3 is not shown on your mobile phones when you access the application, but one needs to know from the to-do list as well as the scan one gets as to what kind of category he is into. Now let's come to as to what particular this scan is all about. If you switch on your application on the phone and go to the green patch where it is written you are safe. I hope everybody has been able to see that. Just tap there lightly on see recent contacts. You will see a scanning of health status that is being done. And it will show some array like this as what I have shown on the slide. It might differ from person to person. It is just a representative array that can be seen, wherein the person is right in between and the contacts that he has come into contact are all surrounding him, wherein it states that this particular individual has captured 106 Arogya Setu application users. Mind you, this particular application works only when other people around you are also having this application on their phone and their GPS, Bluetooth, as well as internet connectivity is on. So this, one can say that it is a limitation of this application, but in times to come, unless we have this application with us and people also around us do have this, the strength of this particular application cannot be derived 100%. So coming back to this particular array, it says that this individual has come in contact with 106 Arogya Setu application users. The classification, this particular contact is established for the last 30 days, and the classification for this 106 is like this: 7 are high risk, 16 are moderate risk, and 83 are healthy or low risk. This color code also relates to the same: low risk, moderate risk, and high risk. So his risk profile can be seen from this contacts that he has come into in vicinity. In case you just see this particular scan or spread, of course this is not digitized. If at all this is provided digitized to us and it is uploaded on AutoCAD, one can easily come to know as to what distance this particular orange color dot is from the individual, and one can establish as to how much distance was with him with that particular contact. So this is one. This is what is about the green category 3. Let me move to the next, that is yellow category 1. What does it mean? It means that the individual has indicated one or more COVID-19 symptoms during self-assessment. That marks yellow category 1. That marks moderate risk of infection. What is to be done is something here. And next comes the yellow category 2. What does it say? It is a moderate risk of infection, which states that the individual has recent contact with infected person. Now, what does recent contact mean? It means that he has come in contact with COVID positive person, but at socially distant space. That distance was of the, which qualifies to be socially distant. That means 6 feet and above, or 6 feet to be precise. So in case one comes in contact with the COVID-19 positive patient in 6 feet distance, he automatically comes in yellow category 2. Or if he has indicated COVID symptoms during self-assessment, those also come in contact with this, come in this particular category. Now let us go to yellow category 2. Now in this particular category, I would like to just show as a case study the contacts that, or the scans that can be seen. Yellow category person would see this particular screen with yellow color, and after he clicks here, this particular scan comes in where he now gets an additional information of 2 people who are infected. What we have been doing till now in this particular application, whatever one, I mean, at least I have been doing for quite some time, that I was happy seeing how many people are there around me in 500-meter radius who are using this app or who are COVID positive and who have been diagnosed, and who, I mean, those kind of details in 500 meters, 1 kilometers, up to 10-kilometer range. But what matters for us more than this particular information, it's just an information for us, is this particular scan. I'll just go back. This particular scan, wherein it gives the status of 2 infected corona positive patients whom this person has come in contact with, and the details also are given. On 3rd July, he has come at 8:40 hours in the morning. He is, for 1 minute duration at Vanodi, he has come in contact with one person, and on 2nd July at 10:44 1 minute duration at Ghorpadi, he is come in contact with another person. This is a very, very valuable information that one gets from this. I'll just further elaborate with one more case study on this. Let us see this hypothetically. These are 4 scans of 4 different people who were in association or in contact with a COVID-19 person. Mind you, COVID-19 person at the point in contact is not declared as COVID-19. He subsequently for COVID test, swab test, and later on, if he is declared as COVID positive, then only his data, the diagnostic agencies or the government agencies or the district authorities upload his details on the national server, and national server, whenever anybody, like here in this particular instance, these 4 people, whenever they uploaded their data on the national server automatically gave them information that this person has come in contact with one infected. That's why he's in yellow category 2. When he was in contact on 1st of July at 14:20 for 71 minute duration at Dighi, Chinswad. Also on 27th June, he was on 11:52 for 100 minute duration at Bhosri, Chinswad. So likewise, these 4 people have come in contact with the COVID positive person. Now, what is relevant here is that on 1st July, in case you see, all people were in contact with this person. This is just a hypothetical example. In fact, it has happened in my company, and this is how it has helped us to zero down to the person who was COVID positive. Of course, that person had gone to his hometown 4-5 days back on the pretext that he was not keeping well. And when he was at home, he developed symptoms. He was tested for COVID test, and within couple of days he was declared COVID positive. But due to some reasons, due to fear or whatever, he could not or did not intimate to the company. And when his data was uploaded on the server, these 4 people who were in his immediate vicinity got this particular intimation or the scans. And from this, it was later zeroed down as to on 1st July, these 4 people at various durations were with this COVID positive person, where they're in his vicinity, and that's how it was zeroed down as to yes, who was COVID positive in that particular office or department, and then corrective action was taken. Corrective action also very easily can be taken using these particular scans. If you see here, this person, first person was in on 1st July and 100 minutes on 27th of June, whereas he was for 1 minute duration only. He was for 12 minute duration, and this person was for 8 minute duration. Very clearly, this particular individual has, due to longer duration of contact, has a high risk profile when it comes to contact with that particular corona positive patient. So immediately what we did was he was sent home and told to self-quarantine himself, and other people were put on observation for next 4 to 5 days till the time their status came to yellow or green. That is how one can easily do. This particular thing is possible when you have a close-knit office or a close community. Even this can be done at a place or in a society wherein number of people go out to their place of work, or go out to various other outstation places wherein they are likely to come in contact with number of people. I will go to the next another case wherein
Sanjay sir, we may get disconnected in a few seconds probably. Just a minute, sir. Hello.
Yes, please go ahead.
We may get disconnected, so please join back. You can continue. I just wanted to interrupt for this only. We may get disconnected for a while. Okay, just to update. Thank you.
Is it some problem from my end?
No. It's not your
40-minute session.
Zoom
40-minute session for each.
Okay. So I'll make it fast then.
No. You continue.
We can continue. We will continue. We will continue
and join back
after rejoining. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So I will just within a little while I'll just explain this particular case also. Here, this particular individual came in contact with another COVID infected patient on 27th June. This also on 27 June at various time duration as well as the contact duration is also told here, as mentioned here. Whereas nothing is shown here or for this particular fourth, second and fourth. Here, in case you scroll this particular screen up, there will be small blue colored blue font update data. So when uploading of that particular data is done by clicking, one gets to know this particular history. And this history helps in knowing as to who is that person and how much one should, what kind of care one should take when